All right, this is a Hunter Palermo ceiling fan, and it is installed in the kitchen of this house my dad built. So yeah, it's a pretty cool install. Got no light kit right here over the island. So yeah, the wall control for it is right back here. So go ahead and clock, obviously. Here's low. Got a skylight in here. It's pretty cool. Kind of like a slow low to me. It could be on medium by the pole chain. I'm not sure. Maybe not. Well, it's an aesthetic low anyway. Okay. There's medium. These are our same kitchen cabinets we used to have. I think this was done by the same cabinet guy that did our old kitchen. And he did our new kitchen too. But he's retired. It doesn't use him anymore. This angle. No, it's too much light coming through. Okay. And it's about up to speed. Here's high. That may be the actual high too. Wobbles a little bit. Pushes a good breeze. It's about as close as I can get to it. Yeah. Yeah, not a bad fan. I think they need to reset some of their clocks. Here's off. All right, that's it. Hope you enjoyed this one. Like and subscribe and stay tuned for more.